The first step of the registration is to create a Reg Online account. To access Reg Online, go to the Inspire website, inspireschools.org. Click on Enroll Now. At the Enroll Now page, scroll down to see a list of counties we serve. Find the link that matches your county of residence and click to access Reg Online. When you have reached the Welcome to Reg Online page, you'll have the option to log into an existing account or create a new account. To create a new account, enter your email. Be sure to use an email you check on a regular basis. Once you have entered your email, Reg Online will send an automated email containing a link to verify your email and continue the online registration. Click on the personalized link at the bottom of the message and create a password. Once you have logged in successfully, you'll be taken to your household page. This section houses your account information. In this step, you may change your username or email if needed, as well as request to withdraw your application. Congratulations! You have created a Reg Online account. You are now ready to move to the next step of the registration.